Momentus, a provider of innovative new technology and manufacturing services for the PV industry, has selected Ascend Solar to provide customized flexible SIGS PV modules for the demonstration deployable PV array on an upcoming Vigoride spacecraft. Ascend Solar is a developer and manufacturer of state-of-the-art, lightweight and flexible thin-film PV solutions, and their experience with deploying PV systems is second to none. This partnership will provide the spacecraft with the highest quality, flexible PV modules available, and will help to reduce the cost of PV deployment. Management believes that the company has done well to demonstrate its PV solutions as viable options for space and near-space endeavors. On the heels of outstanding performances reported in the Miss-X experiment and at the 2021 SPRAT 26 conference, Ascend Solar has been working with Momentus to design deployable PV arrays. These deployable PV arrays, which use similar protective coating materials to build a nominally 71W laminated panel, AM025C, as a building block, includes all of the features desirable for a space product.